everyone. We've got a good one today. Everybody loves toasted cheese sandwiches. And today we're going to do toasted cheese sandwiches with a twist. A big twist. This is my granddaughter's recipe. And she wanted me to make it for her today. So it's going to be my lunch and her supper. So, first of all, we're going to start with crab meat. My store doesn't carry real crab meat. It's $40 a can anyway. So I get this Crab Classic. And if you read on the outside, it says Wild Alaskan Pollock, which is wonderful. So always look for it and make sure you know the fish that's in it. Also, they say it's crab meat in it, but I'll leave it. Anyway, I have two. These are 8 ounces, so this would be 16 ounces of crab meat. And half a cup of tops of scallions or little new onions is what I call them. And a half a cup of cream cheese. It's you've had sitting out for a while, so it's a little bit safer. And you need, of course I forgot my, half a teaspoon of garlic powder, a teaspoon of rice wine vinegar, which I do not have, so I'm just using house sherry, cooking sherry. So we're going to use 2 teaspoons of that. And you can use sweet chili. I'm just going to use, instead of sweet chili, I'm going to put a few drops of sriracha. Well, maybe I am. I don't think it's coming out. Okay, we'll put a teaspoon of sriracha. No, we'll put a half a teaspoon of sriracha. And just mix it. Oh, well, yeah. Now, I've got mozzarella cheese and Colby. Up to you. You can use the kind of cheeses you want. All mozzarella, you know. And this is one of those things that you do. You can put in anything you want to. Just get our cheese in there. Get it all going at the same time. And I urge you to always buy the cheese that you grate. They're saying now that and it's so easy to go get a bag of cheese that's already grated. But it's actually not healthy now. They say that there's stuff in it that is actually a medicine in it that people take. It's not over the counter either. So I just try to keep it to my own grater and grate it myself. At least you know it's fresh. Well, looks pretty good. Who doesn't like toasted cheese sandwiches? I know at least once a week I have toasted cheese sandwiches. Just for myself, of course. Now, this is half a stick of butter, and let's get a half stick of butter would be, a fourth stick of butter. So it'd be 3 tablespoons of mayonnaise, if they're equal. course, this is for the toasting. Okay. And I think I'm going to put a little mayonnaise in those crab cakes because they don't seem to be moist enough to me. Put about a tablespoon. Okay. Yeah, that'll be good. Now you can use the bread you want to use. I'm using a big bread, sourdough bread. But you can use any, and also, you know, it's a day old. It makes good toasty bread. Okay. Well, the bread is getting warm. Don't put it on real hot griddle because you want it to get real warm in the middle. So I'm going to put butter and mayonnaise on this. Not too much. You don't want to get it soggy. I love the sourdough bread. What else do you like on your toasted cheese sandwiches? That's not going to work. We'll have to get us a big one here. I taste it and it's so good. It is very good. But a big one. Okay, now what I like to do is take the one and put it on top of this. That way it's going to help melt everything in there. And we'll put the butter on this side. Yep. It does. Okay, let's do this one. That side. Oh yeah, perfect. Oh yeah. Well, let's see what it looks like on the inside. Maybe you can see the mozzarella cheese. See? It looks as good as, it tastes as good as it looks. You can see the red and green makes it such a pretty sandwich. Well, that was our big toasted cheese sandwich review today. I hope you try it for something else, and actually it's not an expensive dish either. Take care of yourself. Enjoy the toasted cheese sandwiches with some soup. I love tomato soup with them. It's sort of a standard, but I do love it. Take care of yourself. Remember the joy. And we'll see you soon.